In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this delicious spaghetti jollof. Stay tuned, keep watching because you don't want to miss this at all. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using: chicken breast, shrimps, bell pepper, onions and habanero pepper, diced tomatoes, Maggi, salt, spaghetti. What I'm going to do, I have my chicken breast, I've already washed and cleaned. Then I'm going to add in my Maggi. I'm going to add salt, paprika, oregano. Then I'll add jack seasoning. Then I'm going to mix all together. I'm going to mix it all together so that the spice will be well blended with the chicken breast. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by today. If you are new here, you are welcome to share with Love TV. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are highly appreciated. I love you guys. I'm going to mix the chicken breast with the spice. Then I will set aside. Then I'll go ahead and season the shrimp also. I'm still going to use the same seasoning for the shrimp. Jack seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice for this recipe. I'm adding my Maggi, paprika, oregano, and some salt. Then I will mix it very well. Then I will also set aside. I will allow it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes before I start frying. I went ahead and sliced my vegetables. In a clean pan, I'm going to add in my coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil for this recipe. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I'm going to fry my chicken breast. Okay, I'm going to fry my chicken breast. I'm adding my chicken breast right now. I'm going to fry it till it is well cooked. Then after frying the chicken breast, I'll also fry the shrimp also. Keep watching guys, please don't click out. Don't click out. Keep watching.
Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God.
I went ahead and flip the chicken on the other side. Then I will allow it to cook till it is ready. At this point, the chicken is ready. I'm going to take it out The next step for me now is to fry the shrimps also.
Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people.
The next step, I'm going to fry the shrimps, okay? I'm going to fry this until it is well cooked.
Be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, Emini can change a man. Emini can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, Emini can change a man. Emini can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today, I did drive in my fat on the just the shout.
After frying the shrimps, I'll go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil inside the same pan. Then I'll allow it to heat up for a little bit. Then I'll fry all my vegetables together. I'm going to add in my onions and the habanero pepper. Then I'll give it a quick stir. I'll fry this for about a minute before I add the bell peppers and the tomatoes. After about 1 minute of frying the onions, I went ahead and add my bell peppers. Then I'll stir it for another 1 minute before I'm going to add the diced tomatoes. Okay, I'm just going to fry it for about a minute. Then I'm adding in my diced tomatoes. I have 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I'll add it to it. I'll give it a stir. I'll stir it together. I'll stir it together. As you can see, at this point, the house was already smelling good. Guys, if you haven't tried coconut oil with this recipe, go ahead and try it with coconut oil. I'll cover it, allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to give it a stir again. Then I'll add in my chicken and the shrimp together. Now it's time for me to introduce the chicken and the shrimp. Then I will stir everything together. I'll mix it well. Just want the sauce to be well coated with the chicken and shrimp. I give it a proper stir. Mix it. I'll mix it together. Then I'm going to add in my seasoning. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. Now I'm adding my thyme. Then I'm going to add in my Maggi seasoning. Then I'm also going to add in my salt. Then I will stir together. I will mix it well, stir together. Then I will cook for another 5 minutes. While I was doing this, I've already cooked my pasta. Okay, I didn't show you guys my pasta when I was cooking it. I was cooking the pasta on the other side of the stove. Okay, I'll cover it. I like to cook for 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes later. It's smelling so good. It's smelling so. I wish you guys can perceive the aroma through the screen. Now I'm gonna add in my cooked pasta, my cooked spaghetti. Yeah, spaghetti. I'm just gonna add in the spaghetti. Then I'm gonna mix it very well. I'm gonna mix it very well so that the sauce will be well combined with the spaghetti. Guys, this spaghetti jollof was so yummy, guys. Have you ever tried using coconut oil for this recipe, guys? Go and try it and you will love it. You are going to love it. And when you are using coconut oil, make sure you use the organic coconut oil. Organic coconut oil is the best, absolutely the best. I'll mix it well, stir it together till it is well coated. That's it, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you for the love, for the support. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for sharing out my video. God bless you all. And to all my new subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are still watching and you haven't subscribed, Abana, come on, subscribe. Put in the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much. Who is hungry? If you're hungry, let me see your thumbs up. Let me see your thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Food is ready. I love you guys. Bye. See you on my next one.